Hi, let me start. There is anger, and inside this anger, many people create a to-do list of their fury in action. The next day should not include situations, actions in fury. It shouldn't even cross your mind. Fury. This indicates that you do not visualize the hurts that you internally crave expressing the next day, even currently. Next topic. How do you imagine your higher self? In faith, many people see their higher self as a spark of light. Leave me a comment on how you see your higher self. Your wandering mind, next topic, your wandering mind think may think, if I'm not aware and not thinking a lot, how do I know how to respond or how to listen? You'll know. Make a face of you thinking a person's word, blank mind, a person's word spoken to you, Zen blank mind. Remember, you are a non-judgmental saint if that path intrigues you. You do not label people, you look at them as an individual who has undergone, you look at each individual as someone who has undergone good and bad in society and in the end wants neither. Why? Because positive thoughts rarely stay positive for humans. Often, even a positive thought is destined for internal hurt. You can think, but you prefer peace of mind over mental distress, don't you? So that's it for today. Have a nice day. Bye.